Hey traders, John here at ForexGoOnline.com. I wanted to throw on the video because I've spotted a live setup on the US dollar Japanese yen 4-hour chart, and I wanted to cover it so traders can get an idea of what a large signal looks like. Now, one of the most common questions I get asked is what makes a large signal? What is a large signal? Quite often people will post up a chart with this sort of candle and go, "Wow, look, that's a really large signal." The bearish engulfing bar that I'm using entry to get into this trade is this signal here. Okay, so if I zoom into the chart, you'll notice just how much bigger this candle is compared to the rest. Okay, you'll notice the average candle length is about so, and then we get this massive engulfing bar. Now, with this alone, with that signal alone, we wouldn't be shorting, but the overall price action story is telling us the price is looking to go lower here. We have this support that's through this level here. I've got a horizontal line marked through that. Price bounced from this level, and you'll notice from this first candle, it's got a wick on it. Okay, so it's telling us a resistance held once. Then we start to see this stalling pattern. So that's where this candle here couldn't burst through, and then we get this inside bar. Now, the inside bar is not enough to make an entry, but we include it in our price action story because it's telling us something. It's telling us that maybe the bull's running out of steam here, and that then this resistance is holding, and there could be a move here shortly to get short. Now, price opened lower and went straight through this resistance. It soon snapped back quicker. Now, a lot of people playing the straight break would have been stopped out all through here. Okay, but we know, and the people who follow on at Forex School Online know, we're waiting for a signal to go the other way. We're waiting for that false break of the resistance, and then we're waiting for the price to collapse back over where we can get low. Now, I haven't been entering in yet. I'm waiting for price to break these lows. I'm not going to go through where my stop is and how I'm going to play this trade, but it's a very obvious trade. So the next time you hear me say I'm waiting for a bigger signal or a more obvious signal, these are the best signals that we should be playing, and these are the ones you should be looking out for. Forget trying to look for signals in here with all this, like these little candles. Look for the obvious ones in your chart. When you first open your chart, you see the big obvious candles. They're the ones that are screaming out, they want to make a move. So this is screaming at us, we want to make it short. It's so obvious when we look at this chart, the price is looking to go lower here. Instead of this, normally I'll turn the video off and come back. I'm going to release this now as quick as I can. I hope you guys managed to catch this one if it does move lower. Obviously, sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm not. The idea is forget the individual trades, but you need to be over many trades. You need to be profitable. So the individual trades are not what matter. If you're placing good trades, trade after trade, and you're following your rules time after time, if you do have an edge in the market, you will come out profitable, and that's what it's all about: finding your edge, and then executing that edge without fail and following the rules. I hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to talking to you soon. I'll see you in the next video.